perhaps.
This is Swish. This is Snack.
Both are bad. Equally bad.
Not equally bad. Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
We're basically comparing Swish with Snack. They're both based out of Bangalore, and these are both platforms that provide quick snacks.
So what we are going to do is we are going to also check the whole branding, visual language from a design POV, and we are also going to review the actual product
Okay,
of both.
Yeah, I'll unbox. Snack.
Yeah, we do. What we have got today is 2 iced Americano,
Okay, so there's one bag, 2 bag.
2 bags.
You directly have the coffee.
Okay, that's good. Less packaging, less waste
Yeah.
material.
Yeah, sugar.
This is small also. This
Yeah.
is a pretty big bag.
So last time we ordered from Swish, we got this. We got a straw in this, which says this straw sucks.
Which is kind of clever
Very nice.
and really nice. The color, the font, whatever that is, it's really cool actually.
Yeah, cool. Now we can. I think we should get started with the coffee tasting because it is iced coffee and it's quite hot here in Bangalore. So we'll start with that.
I get my own straw. Okie dokie. I have my metal straw with me.
This is the paper straw.
Okay, I'm having a sip.
So looking at the coffee, I can tell this is not going to taste very good. Same goes to this.
Why so? Why do you think?
Because of the color.
Because of color?
Yeah, because of the color.
Do you mind showing them the color of your coffee?
I'll try it once again. This is bad. You can't drink it. I can't drink it. And this doesn't taste like a good coffee.
Now
I'm
let me
not
taste
talking
this.
about the taste, the acidity, the bitterness, etc. This just tastes bad. Kharab hai coffee. You shouldn't
This
order
is
it.
very bad.
That is very bad, and that's,
Oh my God.
that tastes and smells rotten. Smells. There's no smell. There's no coffee cafe wala smell at all.
There's no.
Yeah, but this
This
still tastes okay. This is fruity and this is pungent.
Oh my
So-
God.
So again, this is not a coffee language. I'm saying this is pungent. It tastes bad.
This is very bad.
Like it's bad. You
This is
cannot,
very bad.
You cannot have it. It tastes bad.
Yeah, it does.
This is also fine, but
It's not good, but it's not bad as this one.
but in my opinion, if you're spending 125 rupees ordering this through Swish and 70, we got a discount, so we got it for 75 rupees. But still, we would recommend you spend on a good quality coffee ordering from Blue Tokai,
Yeah.
Third Wave, or even Starbucks, because this doesn't taste like coffee. It's just
Not Starbucks.
Starbucks is still better,
Better
than
than
this.
this.
Better than this. Yeah, so it tastes very bad. Doesn't taste like a coffee. This so definitely.
Can you?
The snack
The
one
snack
doesn't even taste like a coffee.
Also, we haven't seen or critiqued the packaging of this. This says snack dope dishes in minute, which is like a tagline thing. Then they have don't share your snack, share this, which is also kind of clever with going with the name that they have.
But I cannot share it either.
Yeah, you can't even share the
Because
snack.
I cannot share this. I'll just give it entirely
somebody else.
to somebody I hate.
Somebody you hate. And of course, we won't be sharing it on our social media or with anybody else.
We'll be sharing this.
This
is,
one-
This is terrible. This is less terrible.
Yeah,
But
but
both are very
from a regular drinker who doesn't know much about coffee and just enjoy a good coffee sometimes, I feel this. If
Don't lie.
Again,
You don't have to lie about it.
no, so if this would have been this much the amount, then I would have had it. But I know
Yeah.
that by the
There's a
time
waste.
it's by the time I reach till here, it will be so bad because it's iced Americano and it's going to like all the ice is going to melt and this is going to taste
Then it will
bad.
Then it might taste good because of the water.
But okay, so do you want to talk about also the app experience of both the
App experience, both the apps, I think they're doing well. I think one or the other, you can't prefer either of them. Generally, the branding of Snack I liked a little bit more because of the quirkiness that it has.
I think Swish is also not bad. I like Swish's one as well. Snack is like wild in its branding. This one is if there's a meter, it's less than the quirk.
It's less playful and
Yeah.
a little more safe. For
Then-
example, if you see the fonts as well,
Correct.
the typography that they're using.
Go.
Here,
Go get it.
here if you see, it's not very it's not safe at all.
The color combination that they have, the kind of advertisement or the reels that you see. So it's like way out of the normal quick commerce platform are doing. This is, I like this one. This is bit out there and nice also. But I also think that sometimes
Yeah, for
all of this doesn't matter if the product doesn't deliver.
Yeah, exactly.
But
It was the exact same thing that I was going to say, that everything here is very nice. This packaging is nice.
yeah, the bigger one was also nice.
Is also
Like a
nice,
good
although
one.
wasteful. But it's fine for somebody who does not really think about
This too.
these things. That's okay. They would like the overall experience. For example,
Yeah, of opening everything.
There's the branding.
Yeah,
it's
I
nice. It's
agree.
fun. But again, if the product doesn't deliver, this
All of
goes
this
to
doesn't
waste.
matter.
Yeah, because we cannot finish this.
Yeah, I just noticed one thing. This is like
Yeah, correct.
a different green. This is a different green, and this is altogether a different green. This is just us. I don't think anybody would actually care about anything else. But having consistency, like just a Pantone color or a
Right.
correct CMYK tone that
Yeah,
goes
because it's
consistently.
Similar paper, though.
Yeah, kind of similar paper.
similar quality. Although it doesn't really matter because it's anyway coming in a package, so people will generally associate everything.
With one
But
brand.
generally, as a hygiene or a 101,
Yeah.
everything should be of same color at least.
I think the one thing that they
But it's not a deal breaker. The deal
no,
breaker
not
is
at
the
all.
product itself.
It's correct, hands down. But the one thing from a brand visual point of view is one of the main key things are memorability or like a visibility of it again and again. So I'm sure in India most of people do keep the cups or the things that they want to reuse again and again. So this would help the brand having a like
Yeah,
the
generally
visibility
also-
more than this one.
Generally, if you also look at the lids,
This is much better than this
slightly
one.
more premium, perhaps. And
Yeah,
this more,
there is
more.
This is it. Anything else you want to talk about?
No.
Okay.
Product it's anyone I want to talk about.
But on hindsight, this is just one product from one brand, and we can try out different things as well and see. Because let's be honest, people like a good brand can also ruin a good coffee, and we'll order something else and then again talk about the packaging and how the whole experience was. And yeah, that's what we are going to do mostly.
Yeah.
We are going to pick a brand, pick a product. It could be an app or a physical product or a physical place, and we are going to be reviewing it from a designer's point of view.
Same thing.
Bye.